Hi, I'm Messina, and today I'm going to be addressing two newer products in the industry, pros and cons and how they're applied. To begin with, we have U-Glue, which comes in both smaller stickers and strips, depending on what you're using them for. The pros of this product being that it's easy to apply, good for on-site setups, and it works with lighter weight materials. The application for this product, what you do is you take it off simply like a sticker, and I'm going to be putting it on cardboard, which we're going to be making a wearable chip. And then all you do is you take off the other side, take your ribbon, stick it to it, and now we're going to cover the entire surface of this cardboard. Once you cover the one half, we have to cover these ends. So I would advise for you to take another piece, put it up at the corner that's going to be coming around from the other side. And then when you come around, you're kind of going to fold it in a manner so that you can continue going the other way. And then you'll finish going this way. And once your surface is completely covered, you'll take yet another sticky and put it in the corner, peel it off, like so. Stick your corner of the ribbon, and then you will cut off your excess material. And that's how you would use U-Glue. You can also use it for lighter weight flowers, such as button mums. Okay, cons of this product being that it doesn't hold up well in the cooler when exposed to any type of humid air, so that's why I would not advise to use it if you were doing like pre-made wearables. I also have today adhesive glue. Now before I tell you how it's used, you want to make sure that you have a cup for it to stand up in, because if you do not, and the top's off, you'll make a mess everywhere. Okay, now adhesive glue only works on a porous surface, meaning it's not smooth. So what we did here, which is a wristlet, is we covered it in the ribbon as we did in the chip, and then we covered it in a bouillon wire, which makes it a tougher surface. So what we're going to do is take the cap off. Actually first, I'm going to cut the flowers to have them ready. Here I have spray roses, and you're just going to cut all the way up to the top of the flower so that it's a flatter surface. And now, you're going to take the top off, and you're going to put it where you're planning on putting it. I am making a circular design in the middle, so I have 3, so I'm going to put 3 spots. And then you're going to do the same on the underneath of the flowers. Now before you stick them together, you want to make sure that the glue gets tacky, otherwise it won't stick as well and you'll make a mess. So I'm going to do these one at a time. Actually, I'll let them get tacky here. Now the pros of this product are that it's great for making your wearables ahead of time, it holds up well in the cooler, and it's just a great product. So here, we're letting it sit. You can see it starts to get a little bit tacky, and at that point, you will take the 2 and stick them together. You're going to have to hold it here for a minute to make sure that it's secure, but that is the idea. So I'm just going to do this with all 3 of these. And then going to let this sit. Also, we have wax flowers, and we're going to be doing the same type of thing with it, just to give it more material. So I'm going to cut these. Then I'm going to again take the adhesive glue, put it on the wristlet. This set. And then we're going to repeat this adhesive glue process with the wax flowers that are going to fill in the space that we have left over from the spray roses. So again, I'm just going to put a tad bit of the glue in the space on the bracelet, and then I'm actually not going to put it on the underneath of the wax flower just because it's a, as you can see, there's a lot of space in between the stems, but once it gets tacky, we're just going to stick it in between all the rest of the flowers. Reasons you wouldn't use the U-glue for these types of flowers is, yes, they are lightweight, but you would see the U-glue through the stems. So that's another pro of the adhesive glue. And so we stick this here like so. And then our last little bunch. And as you can see, it ties the entire thing together. So that's how you use the two products, and I hope that gives you a little insight as to how you use them. Thank you for watching.